Okay, children, good morning, all of you. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, children, we are going to complete our chapter arithmetic progression. I think today we can complete that. Okay. So you take your textbook page 113, 5.3. 113. Exercise 5.3. Question number 15. Question number 15. These questions are little bit lengthy. So you can write it. Write it now. Question number 15. Contract.
Problem. No, we need to
Yes.
write.
Yes.
Word problem. Word
Word
problem.
problem. First word problem. A contract on construction job. Write fastly.
Ma'am, what their meaning?
That I will explain. Write the question.
Ma'am, you can send the PDF that
Which PDF?
math notes. Ma'am, I want to correct that notes. It is not stapled. That's why it is to order that.
Which PDF?
Ma'am, at math note, this note I want to make. It is not stapled because that is not order. I want to give that
Okay.
order. Now I can ask our max group. I can ask.
Okay. Okay. Anyone will send. Okay. That group you can share your doubts. Don't copy. I'm not meaning you can copy the homeworks. You can share your doubts. If anybody get a problem, you can ask them how did you get. Okay, use the group for good things. Okay, so did you write the question? Can I start?
No, ma'am, I'm writing.
Okay, make it fast. Roshan, over. Tanya, Isha, Sean, Shania, Justin, Alicia, Elsa, Melita, Abin, Noble, Kshetra,
This is some big question.
Alna, did you complete writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Read. Read. Alna, read.
Ma'am, which question? Ma'am.
Lena, read the question. Allah, no need to read. Okay, I will give you later. I will give the question. Which is that? Huh?
A
Lena.
contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. Rupees 200 for first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work of 30 days.
All of you read it once again. Read the question. All of you read once again. A contractor on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. Okay. A contractor has to complete his work on a particular day. If he delays to complete that work, he has to give a penalty. Okay. First day, he has to give a penalty of What is the first penalty? First day's penalty?
200.
200.
Penalty. First day's penalty is 200. Okay. First day. Second date is
250.
250. Second day 250. Second day. So if he completes the work on second day or on third day, suppose he is completing the work on third day, how much penalty he has to give?
300.
No, I'm asking, suppose he is thinking, all of you, suppose that person completes his work on third day. Third day he completes the work. So how much penalty he has to give?
450. Some of
200?
300.
200.
250.
250?
400.
450, yes. Because first and second day he has to pay the penalty. Third day, no need of giving penalty because he completes the work. Is it clear? If he completes the work on third day, he has to give penalty for the first and second day. Third day, if he didn't complete it on third day, again he has to give 300. Okay. And for the third day, etc. So this is the penalty series. Penalty for first day 200, for second day 250, and third day it is 300, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being 50 more for the preceding day. Each day it is increased by 50. Each day the penalty is increased by rupees 50, isn't it? So how much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 300 days? No, sorry, 30 days. 30 days. He delayed the work 30 days. Okay. He is completing the work only on the 31st day. He is completing the work only on the 31st day. So during these 30 days, he has to give the penalty. Question, how much he need to pay? What we will do then? Children,
First
is
you have
it
to find
clear?
the,
Is it clear, all of you? What was the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
then, yes. Here,
No.
what we need to find? Yes.
and first you have to find the 30th.
Mm.
30.
And,
Need to find
and third,
30 days
Yeah.
penalty.
And how much money contractor has to
Some
pay?
of all the penalties.
what is the penalty for 30th day? You have to find
Has
first.
to pay the penalty that is defined.
30th days penalty need to find.
No, ma'am.
Question, how much penalty he has to pay for
To
all
penalty.
these 30 days. So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
we need to find?
Sum of all the
Number.
Sum of
Sum
all
of
days,
penalty.
correct. Sum of all the penalties. So what is the sum of all the penalties? Here, Emrain, switch on your video. Emrain, your mother said there is no network problem and you are intentionally offing your video. So today onwards, never off your video. Is it clear, Emrain? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, up to these 30 days, he has to pay penalty. So, question, how much penalty he need to pay? So, what we need to find? We need to find
How much
Fine.
penalty
Yes.
we need to pay?
L.
30 days.
Srihari.
Last term, which is the penalty of 30 days.
Last term is the penalty for only for that day, 30th day. I
And
explained.
sum of
Lo,
all days.
Sum of all days we need. See, children, suppose 350. 1, 2, 3, 4. He completes its work on 5th day. Suppose he completes his work on 5th day. So he need to pay all these penalties, not 350. He has to pay 200 plus 250 plus 300 plus 350. That much amount he need to pay. In our question, so only on after 30th day, that is only on 31st, he completes the work. So all these penalties he has to give. So Srihari, what we need to find here?
We have to find the sum of all these.
Find the sum of all days. We need to find S30. Sum of all these 30 penalties we need to find. Okay. So S30 equal to, before that you write Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we need to find S30, that is 30 by 2. Here you can write what is A. A is
200.
A is 200, D is 5, D is 5 and n equal, D is 50, 50 more. D is 50, n is 30. Okay. So 200, 250, 300, 350, etc. forms an AP. The penalties 200, 250, 300, 350 forms an AP. Forms an AP. Forms an AP. You have to write that. Forms an AP. The total penalty is sum of, that also you write before starting the problem. You can write the total penalty means, total penalty means sum of, total penalty is sum of the penalties of 30 days. 30 days. Yes, yes. After that, you can start with the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yeah, Bill, why you are not writing? Right.
Ma'am,
Mm.
now then
And 30. 2a, 2 into 200 plus,
that is 30 by 2 into 2 into 200 plus 30 minus 1.
plus 30 minus 1 into 50. Calculate.
And that 30 by 2, that 15. 30 by 2, 15.
Mm.
Fifteen into
Mm.
400 plus
Mm.
400 plus 31 into 50.
How 31? N minus 1. N minus 1 is how 31?
50
Is
minus
it
1.
15 by 2,
Mm.
400 plus 1450.
Yes, yes.
Oh, 1 into.
What was the sum? Elsa, how much it is?
I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm using 92,500.
No,
Huh?
no.
Ma'am,
Mm,
that n minus 1 that 30 minus 1 no.
mm,
That into 50.
mm.
That
I'm using 14,625.
No, no, Sovel.
27,750.
Yes, who got that?
Got
Who?
Karthik.
Okay, Karthik. Correct. Nihal, why you are not doing anything? Why you are sitting simply? Got answer? Then try. Shania, what's your answer?
ma'am,
27,750.
ma'am 91950.
No. Kshetra, what's your answer?
1 minute.
27,750.
27,750 it is. 15 into 400 plus 1,450. 27,750 rupees. Penalty is, therefore the penalty is total penalty. Total penalty that the contractor has to pay is rupees 2,750. Now question number 17. It's a lengthy question. Make it fast. Write it fast. Allah, you understood which was the question?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
question. Write this question and its answer 15 times. And before today, 4 o'clock, send to my WhatsApp. Is it clear, Allah? Allah, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, that is mathematician photo. Good mathematician photo in it.
Show the board.
Activity.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
number
next one, 16.
ma'am, in
16.
activity, we need,
Mm.
ma'am, in activity, we need the photo. That is,
Yes, yes.
Ah.
16th question, it's an important question. Good question. it is. Jesslyn, are you present? Jesslyn? Jesslyn? No. Nihal, did you read the question? Nihal. Did you write the question, Nihal?
15th.
No, 15th, 16th. Jesslyn, can you hear me, Jesslyn? Jesslyn? Jesslyn, can you hear me?
But
don't know.
somebody is there.
Huh?
In some classes, chat box was there.
Usually it was there, no, but in this board it is not there. After this period, do you have class? Just
No, I'm
after.
9:20, 10 we have class.
Okay,
And
Jocelyn, if you can hear me, you do one thing after this class, you please call me. Or otherwise, I will call you. Okay. Okay, Jocelyn.
Ma'am,
Ah, okay.
ma'am, now I can.
Okay. Jocelyn, are you using mobile data or Wi-Fi? Jocelyn.
Ma'am, should I call you after class?
No. I will message you later. Okay. I will message you after evening. I will message. Okay. That time you there is noon time maybe, isn't it?
Yes,
Or,
ma'am.
I will message you that time. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you can, you call me after 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Who will? Atulya, read the question, Atulya.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance.
Mm.
If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prizes.
Prices. All of you read the question once again. It's a good question, important question also. Sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes of students of a school. Total 700 rupees are there. And this sum we are dividing into the persons who children or students according to their overall academic performance. According to their overall performance, this sum 700 is giving for the first person this much, for the second person this much, like that. Each price is 20 less than its preceding price. Suppose the first price is 100. So second price, how much? Each price is 20 less than its preceding. So suppose first price is 100. So how much will be the second price?
120.
Uh,
Ma'am, 80.
80. It is 80. It is 80. And third price is? Third price?
60.
60. Okay. First price will be, if it is 100, second price will be 80, third price will be 60, likewise. Okay. 20 less than each prices. Okay. Now, find the value of each prices. Find the value of each prices. Okay. All of you read once again. Gauri, the question is clear? Gauri? Okay. So let us begin. See, children, we will take let A be the first price. Let A be the first price. Let A be the first price. Each price is each price is 20 less than 20 less than its preceding price. Preceding price. Its preceding price. Therefore, the prices are first one A. Second one First one A. Second one Raya. Second one Raya. First one A. So second price. How much it is, Raya? Unmute and say. First price A, then second price will be what? Isha?
A minus 20.
A minus 20. Good. A minus 20. A minus 20. Then third price is? Third price, Isha? Isha?
A minus 20 minus 20.
20. 20 minus 20 what? A minus 20 minus 20. It is? A minus? Isha? A minus?
0.
A minus 0, yeah. A minus 20 minus 20 what?
10.
Huh? A minus 20 minus 20. Negative?
10.
How? What is minus 2, Isha?
Oh, I got it.
Isha, minus 2 is what? Nabil, minus 2 is what, Nabil?
Ma'am, I got it.
Nabil. Unmute and say, Nabil. Minus 2
Ma'am, I got it.
Abin, minus 2
Ma'am, you can hear me? Hello?
Yes, yes. Who's this?
Minus 2 minus 0.
Who's this? Who's this? Isha?
Nabil.
No. Is it Isha? Is that 0?
No, Nabil.
Abin? Okay, Abin, how much it is? Minus 2. Abin?
I'm 0.
Nabil.
No.
Nabil.
Between, who said 0? Somebody saying. No, I heard
Ma'am,
it.
you asked me your AB.
Who this me? Is it Isha?
No, me is Nabil.
Nabil. Okay. Okay, Nabil. Anyway, Nabil say. Nabil, minus 2 is?
0.
No, Revu. No, Nabil. Revu.
Am I got
Wait, hey, wait, Fisan. Revu, minus 2 is? 0. Plus 2.
negative 4.
Who said this negative 4?
Nihal.
Nihal, good. It is negative 4. Minus 2. Minus 2. Subtraction means change the sign and add. So we are making this addition by changing the sign. So this is minus 4. My God, it is 7th standard addition.
Ma'am, then A minus 40.
A minus 40. Next will be? Next price is? A minus 60, etc. Okay, A minus 60, etc. And how many prices are that also? We don't know. But we know the total sum is how much? For all, sum of all these prices is equal to?
700.
700. So it is given that Sn equal to 700. Sn equal to 700. Sn equal to 700. It forms, after this AP, you can write it forms an AP. Forms an AP.
Ma'am,
Forms
N
an
is
AP.
7.
700 total
N.
is given in the question.
Ma'am, N. 7 cash prices.
7 crash. No, it's not given. No, 7 given. 1 second. Let me read.
Ma'am,
Okay, you found it. Yes, yes. It is. Wait 1 second. 7 cash prizes. So yes, n is given. So we can write n equal to 7. So S7 equal to 700. Yes, it is given in the question. There are 7 cash prizes. So this is an AP with A is A itself. N equal to 7. D equal to what? D equal to
Negative
minus 20. Good. Minus 20 because it is decreasing. No. Very good. It is minus 20. So it is decreasing. So now we can find A. Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 700. We can substitute for 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 into minus 20 equal to 700. Calculate this. 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6 into minus 20. Find A. This is 2a plus minus 120 equal to 700 into 2 by 7. 2 you can take in to the right numerator of the right side. Numerator of the right side. So this is 100. So 200. So 2a equal to 200 plus 120. Find A. A equal to
Music 160.
160. A equal to rupees 160. The first price. A means the first price. First price is rupees 160. Then find all the prices. Question, you have to find all the prices. Write all the prices. Second price. Sorry. Second price. Second price, rupees. Third price. Find 7 prices. Second price will be rupees 140. Then find third price. Find all the 7 prices. How much third price?
120.
Correct. Fourth price?
100.
100.
Ma'am.
And we are adding that price that's how you are getting.
Not adding, subtract 20 from each. Subtract 20 from each price. Fifth price?
80.
Sixth?
60.
Seventh?
60.
Yes, seventh, 40. Okay, so these are the prices distributed for the students. Okay, using the 700 rupees. Okay.
Third price 120 no.
Yes. Okay, now you can write question number 19. Write question number 19. Write question number 19. All of you must write the question. I'm giving time to write, not to sit relaxing. Okay, write the question. I know all of you having your textbook with you and question is there in the text, but still I ask you to write the question. Okay, Sania, read the question.
200 logs are staked in the following manner.
Wait. 200 logs are staked in the in the following manner. Logs means the wooden pieces. Okay, so 200. There are total 200 logs, and they are staked in the following manner. Okay, read. How? Read.
20 logs in the bottom row.
Okay, in the bottom row there are 20 logs. 20 logs in the bottom row. Then next row. Next row.
19 in the next row.
19 in the next row. Then
18 in the row next to it.
18 in the next on it, and so on.
And so on.
So, okay, 20 on the first row, 19 on the second row, 18 in the third row, and that way it's going up like a pyramid. The logs are stacked in the shape of a pyramid. Okay, then
In how many rows are the 200 logs placed? And how many logs are in the top?
In how many rows are the 200 logs placed? Total we have 200 logs. Total 200 logs. First row 20, second row 19, third row 18, etc. And 200 logs are staked in this way. In how many rows these 200 logs are staked? That was the question. So to get the first question, what do you need to find? First question, in how many rows? So what we need to find? The n. Okay, first we need to find n. N. Okay, second question, Sania, read.
17 questions.
19th Kisan. Okay, Sania, read.
And
Sania.
how many logs are in the top row?
How many logs are there in the top row? How many logs are there in the top row? So what you have to find then? Nth term, yes, it is an. So we need to find n and an. First you have to find n, then you have to find an, and this forms an AP. It is an AP. It is an AP with A equal to 20, D equal to 1. Now you can find Sn also given. Sn also given 200. Total logs are 200. Sn also given. Yes.
MD is equal to -1.
D minus 1. Yes. 19 minus 20. D is minus 1. Correct. D is minus 1. Sn equal to 200. Okay. For the before next period, find these. Do it. This question. Find n and an. First find n using this sum as formula for Sn. Using this Sn equal to 200. Substitute the values. You will get n. Then find an. Okay, children. I think our time is up. Can we wind up now?